Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of Oris watches, a brand renowned for its Swiss precision, innovative designs, and commitment to meaningful causes. From aviation-inspired timepieces to diving watches that support ocean conservation, Oris combines craftsmanship with purpose. Whether you're a watch enthusiast or simply appreciate fine engineering, join us as we explore what makes Oris a standout in the world of horology. Let's get started. Number 10, Oris Prophet X Kermit. The watch is a delightful fusion of Swiss precision and playful charm, inspired by the beloved Disney character, Kermit the Frog. This limited edition timepiece is a celebration of Oris' aviation heritage, featuring a sleek titanium case, a striking green dial, and a unique date window at 6 o'clock that humorously reads, "No date," a nod to Kermit's witty personality. The vibrant green color, reminiscent of Kermit's iconic hue, adds a fun yet sophisticated touch to the watch's minimalist design. Crafted with Oris' signature attention to detail, the Propilot X Kermit edition is powered by the in-house Caliber 115 manual winding movement, offering a 10-day power reserve. The lightweight titanium construction ensures comfort, while the textured dial and skeletonized hands enhance readability and style. Number 9, Oris carries Fort Reef design. The watch is a stunning tribute to marine conservation, inspired by the vibrant beauty of the Cary's Fort Reef off the coast of Florida. This watch is part of Oris' ongoing commitment to protecting the world's oceans, featuring a captivating blue-green dial that mirrors the colors of the coral reef. The design is both elegant and purposeful, with a unidirectional rotating bezel and luminous hands and markers for optimal readability underwater. Crafted with a 43.5mm stainless steel case, the Caris Fort Reef edition is powered by the Oris Caliber 733 automatic movement, ensuring reliable performance. The watch is water-resistant up to 300 meters, making it a perfect companion for diving enthusiasts. The case back features a unique engraving of the Caris Fort Reef lighthouse, symbolizing Oris' dedication to ocean preservation. Limited to 2,000 pieces, this timepiece is not just a watch but a statement of environmental awareness. Number 8, Oris Fong Ecosystems. The watch is a remarkable timepiece that celebrates the beauty and importance of mangrove ecosystems. Inspired by the vital role mangroves play in coastal protection and biodiversity, this watch features a deep green dial, symbolizing the lush foliage of these unique habitats. The design is both striking and meaningful, with a 41.5mm stainless steel case and a unidirectional rotating bezel for functionality and style. Powered by the Oris Caliber 733 automatic movement, the watch ensures precision and reliability. The case back showcases a special engraving of mangrove roots, highlighting Oris' commitment to environmental conservation. Number 7, Oris Aqua Limited Edition Harmony. The watch is a breathtaking timepiece that embodies the serene beauty of the ocean. Designed in collaboration with the non-profit organization Pacific Garbage Screening, this watch is a symbol of Oris' commitment to ocean conservation. The stunning blue gradient dial, reminiscent of the deep sea, is paired with a sleek 43.5mm stainless steel case and a unidirectional rotating bezel, creating a perfect blend of elegance and functionality. Powered by the Oris Caliber 733 automatic movement, the Aquis Harmony ensures reliable performance with a 38-hour power reserve. The watch is water-resistant up to 300 meters, making it an ideal choice for diving enthusiasts. The case back features a unique engraving of a wave pattern, symbolizing the harmony between humans and the ocean. Number 6, Oris Holin Edition 2022. The watch is a celebration of the brand's rich heritage and innovative spirit, named after the Swiss village where Oris was founded in 1904. This exclusive timepiece combines classic design with modern craftsmanship, featuring a 40 stainless steel case and a striking blue dial with sunburst finishing. The watch is powered by the Oris Caliber 400, an in-house automatic movement known for its precision, 120-hour power reserve, and impressive anti-magnetic properties. The Celestine edition stands out with its transparent case back, showcasing the intricate mechanics of the movement and a special engraving of the Oris bear, a symbol of the brand's strength and resilience. The bracelet is designed for comfort and durability, making it perfect for everyday wear. Number 5, Oris ProPilot Altimeter 2023. The Oris ProPilot Altimeter is a groundbreaking timepiece designed for aviation enthusiasts and adventurers alike. As the first mechanical watch with a mechanical altimeter, it combines Swiss precision with innovative functionality. The 47 titanium case is lightweight and durable, while the black dial features a unique altimeter scale that measures altitude up to 15,000 feet, 4,500 meters. The large crown, inspired by jet engine turbines, allows for easy adjustment of the altimeter. Powered by the Oris Caliber 793 automatic movement, the ProPilot altimeter ensures reliable performance with a 38-hour power reserve. The watch also includes a second time zone function, making it a practical tool for pilots and travelers. The sapphire crystal case back offers a glimpse into the intricate mechanics of this exceptional timepiece. Number 4, Oris Aquis Aqua Date Relief Grey Dial. The watch is a perfect blend of sophistication and functionality, designed for those who appreciate both style and performance. This timepiece features a sleek 43.5 stainless steel case paired with a striking grey dial, offering a modern and versatile look. The sunburst finish on the dial catches the light beautifully, while the bold hands and markers ensure excellent readability in any condition. Powered by the Oris Caliber 733 automatic movement, the Aquis Date Relief delivers reliable precision and a 38-hour power reserve. The unidirectional rotating bezel, a signature feature of the Aquis line, adds a sporty touch and enhances its diving capabilities. With a water resistance of 300 meters, this watch is as practical for underwater adventures as it is for everyday wear. Number 3, Oris OE Excalibur 40 2022. The watch is a bold and innovative timepiece that showcases Oris' mastery of mechanical watchmaking. This unique watch features a 44 titanium case, making it lightweight yet durable, perfect for everyday wear. The standout feature is its skeletonized dial, which offers a mesmerizing view of the intricate Oris Caliber 400 movement. This in-house movement boasts a 120-hour power reserve and impressive anti-magnetic properties, ensuring precision and reliability. The OE Excalibur 40 2022 is designed for those who appreciate cutting-edge technology and avant-garde design. The transparent case back further highlights the movement's complexity, while the black rubber strap adds a modern and sporty touch. The watch also includes a date function, seamlessly integrated into the dial's design. Number 2, Oris Holstein Edition 2023. The watch is a tribute to the brand's roots and a celebration of its innovative spirit. Named after the Swiss village where Oris was founded in 1904, this exclusive timepiece combines classic design with modern craftsmanship. The 40 stainless steel case houses a stunning blue sunburst dial, exuding elegance and sophistication. Powered by the Oris Caliber 400, an in-house automatic movement, it offers exceptional precision, a 120-hour power reserve, and anti-magnetic properties. The transparent case back reveals the intricate mechanics of the movement, along with a special engraving of the Oris bear, symbolizing the brand's strength and heritage. The bracelet is designed for comfort and durability, making it perfect for daily wear. Number 1, Oris ProPilot Excalibur 400. The watch is a masterpiece of modern watchmaking, combining bold design with cutting-edge technology. This timepiece features a 39 titanium case, making it lightweight and comfortable for everyday wear. The standout feature is the Oris Caliber 400, an in-house automatic movement that offers exceptional precision, a 120-hour power reserve, and impressive anti-magnetic properties. The Skeltonase dial provides a captivating view of the intricate mechanics, showcasing Ori's commitment to innovation and craftsmanship. The Propeller Excalibur 400 is designed for those who appreciate avant-garde aesthetics and technical excellence. The multi-piece titanium bracelet adds a modern and sporty touch, while the transparent case back offers a glimpse into the movement's complexity. The watch also includes a date function, seamlessly integrated into the dial's design. Limited to just 400 pieces, this edition is a collector's dream, blending Ori's rich heritage with contemporary style. The Oris Propeller Excalibur 400 is more than a watch, it's a statement of technical prowess and modern elegance, perfect for the discerning horology enthusiast.